Science is something that doesn't stand still. It means that we're constantly challenging what we do, we're constantly trying to improve. It's important to see psychology as a scientific discipline because science is at the core of what we do in psychology. When psychologists do psychology, they use the scientific method. They think in a scientific way. They draw on the information that we've gathered over the course of the development of psychology to actually do what is required in terms of interventions, to make changes to the things that they are doing to actually make them more effective. And that's essentially what separates psychology from many other disciplines. Human behaviour is so complex because it's ever-changing and because it's so difficult for us to be able to grasp many of the things that happen. The scientific method allows us to have a certain degree of objectivity. It's always testing what's going on. It's always evaluating assumptions and hypotheses and theories. There is no absolute truth in science, and therefore the changing nature of human behaviour lends itself to the scientific method because the scientific method means that you're always checking. The purpose and focus of the Australian Journal of Psychology is to provide a forum for the highest quality of psychological research. The APS is a peer-reviewed journal, which means that all of the articles that come through in the journal have been rigorously tested and checked, and sometimes have undergone a number of revisions to ensure that the information is presented as accurately as possible. Open access and open science broadly are principles that I believe in because they mean that information that is produced as a part of science is available to anyone. That means all science is accessible to everyone. It also means that science then can be checked by anyone. I think that means that it becomes a much more valid science as well. The Australian Journal of Psychology is always seeking contemporary research, and they're doing that because the field of psychology changes constantly, and the challenges that it has to meet change constantly. If we were forever just focusing on things that we've done in the past and studied in the past, then we wouldn't be relevant.